guy's here again. He doesn't know how to put a wheel on a 240. Freaking me out of people. All they know how to do is vape and put up the butt. We're gonna get the vert out of the garage and put it in the backyard on the trailer. And then the S10 is gonna come in here. Here's S10. And we're gonna be welding the diff in that so they can go skidding. And look at that. What a coincidence. It's raining today. So yeah, we're gonna put the wheels on. Jack up the front. We're gonna hook up the tow dolly to my pickup, back it up, and just lay the front on it, like strap it a little bit, and then just wheel around to the back and manhandle it the rest of the way to get it onto the trailer, and then move the trailer out the way a little bit too. And we'll put that in, put it up on jack stands, and weld the diff. So let's get it. Out. Put them on the cord.
What do you want me to sit there holding it?
Now we're just gonna roll it out and set it on this, and do something. I don't know. Try and get into my backyard, I guess.
Put a fucking toe in.
Yeah. So.
Does it have the diff in it? Yes.
No axles though.
Oh, okay.
So yeah. We're gonna go ahead and get this going. Alright, so we're gonna hook up the big trailer.
About 2 inches.
No, we can move that.
Sure?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah. We're gonna hook that up to the little pickup, and hopefully this will move it. So we'll find out. Now we're going to try and back it up and put it somewhere out the way.
Thinking go towards the fence as far as you can, pull forward.
Yeah, pull forward. So.
You want him to try?
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and move this. This little 2.2 can do it. Hey, it's moving. It's a big trailer and this little truck's moving it.
I wonder why it's so hard.
He just ran over a football. Somehow this little 2.2 truck is actually doing this. Oh yeah, you were sitting on the tire. There you go. Alright guys, so I guess the old Chevy was able to do it. I ain't worried about that. Well, you all up on him, bro.
I know, that was somebody on my shoulder. I'm like, whoa.
Yeah, a little love tap. Ain't never heard nothing. So.
I'm surprised the little 2.2 did it.
I am too. I tried it before and it wouldn't move it. It was just spinning.
Oh yeah, you can see you kept spinning.
So this is where we're going to plant her, guys. So we're going to go ahead and put the wood under it, jack it all up, and then hook up the cord. Or hook up the vert and bring that around on the tow dolly and then try and get the vert onto this. Alright guys, so this is where we gotten so far. We got the tow dolly hooked up to the truck. We're just going to try and pull it and then just strap it down from the core support or something to like here to hold it so we can just wheel it around, and then we're going to manhandle the shit out of it and get it up onto the tow dolly.
For God's sake, make it stand true. Hey,
he's going to pull it out. He's going to get fucking dildo coils for it. So, alright, we're going to finish loading this up, guys. As you see right here, we got a little too much camber and we're a little too low. And then, boom, boom, she's loaded. Boom, on the Chevy. We broke a tie rod here. So, we ain't going to get no angle. And the steering column broke a little bit too. It can't get shafted no more. So, we're going to get her done.
That sound like Neil?
But we got it strapped on. It ain't going nowhere.
You need to add a zip tie. That's why it's not 240.
I would use zip tie, but my last zip ties I used on the record.
think I have a zip tie holding a speaker up in my truck.
So now we're just gonna drag this son of a gun to the back.
Hopefully.
Alright, we're gonna just pull it up, and I'm gonna take out what I need that I'm keeping in the garage, because certain things I don't want to get wet, and then we'll take it to the backyard. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it forward.
Stop! She fell. Oh shit! She done fallen.
I was trying to stop you before it fell.
She done.
Stop, and I stopped.
I'm like, stop.
She frame banging now. On the ground.
I'm like, shit.
Alright guys, so let's try this again.
This time we have
yeah, we
reinforcements.
put these chains on. So, green bungee cord, you let me down.
Reinforcements have been called.
You work only good for a belt when I'm BMXing. We're so there. What tire almost popped?
This one.
You can see the darn black mark in it where the stud was about to dive through.
Yeah, the stud almost just went through it. Hopefully it didn't damage my line. Right there. Yeah, I know.
We got to come along onto the front of the car, and we're gonna try and just slide it up there, and then when it gets towards the back, hopefully all four of us can lift the ass end of it up,
Unless we just hold the dam, come along and just pull the tires up and over.
or that. So you know, that feels weird when you fall off the trailer. Oh, mother trailer! Ready? One more? Or is that good? That should be good. Keep going. The wheel's almost there.
We got like 6 inches left.
You're all in the ants, bro.
Fucking man.
You got it, Ryan.
Just keep pulling. Just keep pulling.
Oh shit!
Alright guys, so the Vert is up on the trailer where it's going to be living for a while.
You just done a small peel in the truck.
They came back here.
But not with Bradley driving.
And he stalled. Until you fall.
The hole right there and it came up.
Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and close up the gate and we'll meet you guys in the garage. Alright guys, so Bradley went to go get Polar Pops with Christian and his RSX. And we're taking Bradley's car and we're going to hide it. After we have some fun in it. As well as the diff light. Yes. Here, the RSX, so we're trying to leave before he comes without being loud in my neighborhood.
Yeah. More than likely he's gonna come in that one way.
So what I would like to do is either hide it or like pull them behind them.
Just be like, oh, what y'all do?
And I'm gonna tell him that his tire's flat. Or something, we'll figure out. I don't want to mess with him though.
I would
no e-brake.
Yeah, nope. Don't worry, gonna show them what it does. That's it. I would wait here just a second. Oh, the camera lens is there.
You're probably gonna do it first.
5'3". So, Charlie, if you're watching this, I stole your car, bro. Don't worry, they're still gassing it. Dude, we should just park it over here, still walking back, and act all out of breath. Like, yo, someone stole your car, we had to chase them. Yeah. Oh my god, we should. There's a dirt little trail right there.
Yeah. I don't want to walk that far down. I don't know, let's try and find somewhere closer to the house we can park.
Thing is, the car will be hurt.
I know. I got caught up there, you guys. We forgot when I failed, guys. We kind of got busted.
Look at him, he's laughing his ass off. Look at Jensen.
We were going to try and park it at my buddy's house down the street, but you can kind of see his house from mine, and they're just like at my house already watching.
Look at him, like,
Wait, is he eating pizza after he said he already ate?
No. Yeah? You're lying! Look at him.
We were trying to hide your car. We were going to hide the car from you so you couldn't see it. Huh? Yeah, I was gonna hide your car from you so you couldn't see it when you pulled up, and we were gonna be sitting here like, yo, your tire popped on it. Woo! Race car! Now move before I hit you people. I don't care about y'all.
Speed bump. That's my hungry. Wow, that almost worked.
Freaking Miatas. Whack cars. Brian's gonna go ahead and jack up the truck. He's gonna put these ramps underneath the wheels, and then go ahead and pull the diff cover off of it, get the fluid drain. And we got some brake cleaner. We're gonna clean it out and everything, and start welding it. So we're gonna get this up in there. We'll get going from there. All right, guys. So we got it up on the ramps.
The drain came right undone.
So he's gonna go ahead and start pulling the diff cover and everything off of it. And I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod right here.
Wow.
And I'm gonna get a light. Alright guys, so to take the diff cover off, they're 13mm bolts. And there's usually anywhere from 10 to 12 bolts on GMs.
I think
and then what you're going to want to do, guys, is pry it a little bit so the fluid can drain out. Or a lot.
actually that's pretty clean. Look at it.
And don't worry, guys, he is reusing this fluid.
Oh yeah. But the thing is, that's actually not bad fluid. That's better than I expected.
Just kidding, he's not reusing his fluid.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so he's heating up the diff and everything, cleaning all the crap out of there. It catching on fire is what you do not want it to do. So he's going to clean up everything and get it heated up so when I weld it. So he's going to go ahead and heat that up. And then Black Family's over here cleaning this diff cover. Alright guys, so the area is clean and everything. It's heated up. I'm going to go ahead and lay a couple of tacks down on it and spin it. And do the same on the rear, and then I'll come back around and completely weld it up. We got Hector making up a plate. Don't put it on there! Put it on there!
Hot, 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 hot.
Froze your glove!
It worked a little
Okay,
bit.
so got some welding done on it. It ain't the prettiest, but she's welded. For some reason, every time I weld, it keeps popping the breaker. And it's never done that before, so like every time I start getting like a bead or a nice weld going, it would stop. So I had to keep going and going and going, and it is what it is. I mean, there's a plate in there, weld the living shit out of it. So it's not going nowhere. So now we're gonna lift up the diff, spin it around, and on the back side we're gonna try and get as much welding as we can do on that side, since
the GM did a dumb design.
yeah, like it's not open like that on the back plate. It's like literally like that much opening in it, so it's really hard to get in there. So I'm gonna try and see if I can get the torch in there and get a few tacks in there to just help a little bit. They make a pump for it, you know.
I know.
But alright guys, Brian's here making a mess on my floor.
Sorry.
We got the diff put back on, RTV on it, all that. He's just trying to fill it, but he just really making a mess.
Oh, I can't get really anything in the fuck. Look at this. Look at this.
Mm-hmm.
I can't get any.
Alright guys, so we're messing around while Brian's filling up his diff, and we took this, like, I don't know what you would call this, like the Scotch Brite pad kind of thing, and a wire wheel. Cleaned up these letters. They had paint on them, make it a little like nicer, as you can see. And then we just started like polishing the intake, kind of with like this and that, you know. Just go like that, and it smooths it out, like all the roughness you get off of it. And then if you go back with the wire wheel, it like makes it like shiny and get rid of the little marks in it. So this like smoothens it out. And that makes it like shine. Now Bradley's upset. He wants to do the whole intake. He's like, oh, I'm gonna buy another intake. He's gonna clean this mess here. Looks like he either pissed or dropped Mountain Dew. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't know how much was actually recorded and stuff, but we got the vert out of the garage, up on the trailer. There's a reason why the vert's on the trailer. No, I'm not keeping the car. No, it's not going anywhere to get work done on it. I'm over working on that car. I'm done with that chassis. I'm actually going to be picking up another car here soon, but not real soon, in the next couple of months. That's going to be taking place of my drift build. So hopefully you guys like it. Put down in the comments what you guys think it might be, what I'm getting. I'm not giving you guys no hints or anything, but that's why I got the car out of my garage, because it's on the trailer so I can take it to the scrapyard. I'm pulling subframes off of it and stuff like that, so it's just literally going to be the body of this getting scrapped. So if anyone's interested in parts off that car, let me know. And then we welded diff in Brian's car, our truck, his S10. So yeah, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and share, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.